Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Gabriel Agbonlahor don't come aside on the advice Emile Smith Rowe say make Baba push for a move outside Arsenal, because as in day now the guy don't get much playing time and he's going like 23 years. So if he did there for Arsenal like that without playing, sure, the last time when this guy starts for Arsenal was May 2022. So Baba of the opinion say he made the start for England. You get that should be his primary goal at the end of the day, representing your country. So if you are on the bench, how are you going to represent your country? Especially when the position where he's supposed to play, Kai Havertz they occupy there, even though he's not really giving 100% output where Arsenal wants. Yet Aept will look towards in direction. For that reason, he should look at leaving Arsenal permanently to a place where we say they will fit appreciate the qualities, the attributes, the things when they bring to the table. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to Gabriel Agbonlahor line of thoughts. Say make Emile Smith Rowe leave Arsenal probably in the next transfer window and go to another club. So when I let me know your thoughts for the comment section, because myself I've been reasoning, I'm saying would he make Emile Smith Rowe never want to come out. I know say this guy really tried for us once upon a time, but now so don't sign some kind of players. I think I know really the reason now. And let's be honest, forget even Kai Havertz. Say maybe we'll come out Kai Havertz. If we come out Kai Havertz, say nah Emile Smith Rowe go put there. Everybody's like best Arsenal's formation midfield has always been Declan Rice, Partey, Odegaard. I never hear anybody mention Emile Smith Rowe say making it for the first 11. So he's a second 11 material. It is just unfortunate for him. Say Arsenal don't improve immensely compared to the way they did. That's how Emile Smith Rowe, Saka, Martinez, them they rule for us. They help us finish 5th. Away from that season till now, come on, the upgrade has been like impressive. So I don't know who will blame at the end of the day. So but then let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this Emile Smith Rowe? Alright, so Bukayo Saka and Odegaard, they don't be shortlisted for Ballon d'Or. They've been nominated to win this very, very prestigious award. Now, personally, I will let you know, say, they're not going to win. You get, personally, like that's what I feel. They will not win, they will not make the top 3 or top 5, but being nominated in the first place, you get, in the midst of so many thousands of players in the world, it really shows the high level work ethic. You get your quality, your talent, you get the things so you bring to the table. The things you are doing has not gone unnoticed. People they see the good things. So Odegaard and Bukayo Saka they do for Arsenal, which was why they were nominated ahead of so many people. So at the end of the day, are they very, very happy with them? They have really come a long way. So far so good. Might just see whether they will reach like top 10 or top 5, all those kinds of things. But for me, I know they will not win. But at least being nominated is a thing of joy already. So I'm happy for them. Now, not only the Odegaard they nominated for award, even Aaron Ramsdale don't they nominated for the Rasheen Trophy. You get this is an award that is given to the best goalkeeper of the year, and people like Onana they there, Milano Martinez they there, Thibaut Courtois they there, Ramsdale, like some other goalkeepers they there. So at the end of the day, now one person will win now. So like I said about Odegaard and Bukayo Saka, now one person will win all this award, and being nominated in the first place is a thing of joy. It shows how people rate you, how people see you. Your good job has not gone unnoticed. So I just be very, very happy with Ramsdale, Odegaard, Saka for all these nominations with them they get. Last, and still our player they be. And I see for the media setting, people are still like not happy that Arsenal, according to reports from the Mirror and the Daily Mail, Sammy Mokbel, maybe journalists let us know say Aept they consider to give Raya a run of games in the EPL. Moko test them. I see some comments with people they talk say it don't make sense, it don't make sense, it don't make sense. Now the question is, we all they talk about squad depth. All these people they buy as coming in to give us squad depth. Are we buying them for just buying sake, or we are buying them to give them a chance and see what they can bring to the table? Now the reports they talk say Aept they see Raya for the training session saying they do some good things. Now he wants to try him. If you don't try Raya, how we, the fans, will see what Arteta see, whether Raya is better than Ramsdale, or whether Raya is worse than Ramsdale, or whether Raya is equal to Ramsdale. How are we going to see all these things? If you don't give him a chance, how will we know whether he's good or not? So that is the argument I put for, because I see a lot of negative comments. People the para say, no, why don't we disrespect Ramsdale? How is it disrespect? But after 3 games, we remove Leno and put Ramsdale. If you say they don't try Ramsdale when they try him, how would we have known that Ramsdale was a better keeper than Leno? So this is just the way it is. We want competition, but when the competition is about to be unfolded, we know they like and they go against the same competition we have been clamoring for. Come on, I don't get it. Alright, so another talk on here now be say from Danny Mills. So Baba Kole say Declan Rice will get better at Arsenal. They say he's the only or one of the English DMs where they gets for England, where they do very well, because England don't really get plenty defensive midfielder. You can mention Calvin Phillips. How many times even they play for Man City? But look at Declan Rice at Arsenal doing fantastically well, playing well. The fans love him, the coach love him. Even when Gareth Southgate, the England manager, has said so many glowing attributes, give him accolades, give him his flowers. Like everybody's happy with him. So that the music say it makes sense. As in they play for Arsenal, England gets better because Baba never reached a peak. He still has a lot to learn. He still has to add goals and assists to his game, which is one of the things where so many pundits they talk say go make him become world class. So if you know add goals and assists, you may not really be termed as world class, because the truth is, if you don't really win things for your career, people don't really look you and say you really do so much for your career. That is just the sad reality that we are seeing. Despite saying Harry Kane scored so many goals, now he never still win anything. So people know they really rate him that highly. But in goal exploits, they tell they show how good the player is, but the lack of winning anything, that may be just the major problem. So it is what it is. Alright, so Paul Merson come as I compare Moses Caicedo and Declan Rice. So Baba Konde of the opinion say Declan Rice came to Arsenal, hit the ground running, he's playing very well. Moses Caicedo went to Chelsea, he did not hit the ground running. So now people have the opinion say this Moses Caicedo will go Chelsea, he went to the wrong club, so they will develop him wrongly. Like he's not really enjoying himself there. How can you be playing very well for a small club like Brighton, and when you come to a big club like Chelsea, you get one match where I go watching and still ball come off and hand can't go score? So people come they castigate the guy, say how can you spend this much money on this player, because everybody they will judge you based on the amount that they buy, even though you have no hand in putting your evaluation. They will say maybe they evaluate you for that kind of amount. So it is just the sad reality of the football world that we live in. So looking at the logic from where Paul Merson come, does it mean Moses Caicedo has become a bad player overnight? So that's just a rhetorical question I'm just throwing out there, because for Caicedo, I go say, if you say I'm a Chelsea fan now, I go say, but let's give the guy time. But who you go blame now? Are you going to blame Caicedo or the coach or the coach's tactics? So these are some of the things. But Declan Rice, we are just lucky. Like he came to Arsenal and hit the ground running. No be every player they go new club can't hit the ground running. When we talk about hit the ground running, like begin to the play well from the first day when you enter the club, even from pre-season, we don't see Rice quality. So now so it just be well. This is what it is. Me, I don't say Chelsea will still come good. It may not be under this manager, it may be under a different manager, but at the end of the day, it will come good because they have individual qualities. So they need somebody to pull these qualities together and form a team like what we have. So that's it will be. Alright, so Saliba don't get tipped to start for France versus Republic of Ireland. So I'm very happy for William Saliba. He's doing very well for himself at Arsenal. So many people they talk say they want to see how he will play for this France. So he's going to play very well. So just work because Ibrahim Konate of Liverpool, really play. Like I said, that one said get injury. I don't know what to do, but all I know is Saliba is the one that's expected to start. So we just keep our fingers crossed and expect him to do well so that they will call him up. Even the Gramagal himself, I'm pushing for him to start for Brazil and do very well. That's just my prayer for him because this is in debut. He don't take away, he don't deserve, and we don't give him. But so far so good. Finally, he has been called up to the Brazilian setup. So let's just see what he brings to the table. Alright, so Martin Keown don't come as I talk about Sambi Lokonga. So Baba don't say Sambi Lokonga is going to be a very good player for Luton Town. Remember, Luton Town collected the player from us on loan. So we are looking at him doing fantastically well because we still get like bright future for him. Because I think that the reason say this guy can still become an Arsenal player, but we need to refine some of the rough edges we dey for him play. Yeah, because you know say we don't upgrade somehow. So most of the players who they okay for us in the past, this time around, because the expectations at Arsenal is high now. Top 4 is not enough. Yes. Imagine we finish second, people are still complaining. But you don't say the expectation don't go higher. So players like Lokonga, Tavares, all those kind of people, they are surplus to requirements compared to before we say that they needed. Yes. So basically we don't elevate. There's growth. So we're looking at the boy going to Luton Town and develop, and I see him getting much needed playing time over there at Luton Town. We'll just see how everything will be. I wish they will remain for the EPL, because a lot of people they talk saying that then will be the first people to go relegation this season because of they'll be very, very small club in a small town. But let's just keep watching. Alright, so Gundogan of Barcelona. Don't come out and explain why in leave Man City to Barca can't ignore Arsenal. So Babako dey explain say many people don't really understand. Say when he was a child, he had this childhood dream, childhood ambition to play for Barcelona. And at the end of the day, when the opportunity came, he no fit look back, like it was nobody else. Just Barca or nothing. That was why he went there. Because many Arsenal fans they feel say we don't really put an effort to get the player. You can't even talk about Man City. Say people they taking an argument about maybe Man City no give him 1 year, Man City give him 2 years. So it's not about that. So the Coco be say Man City left it too late when negotiation don't escalate with Barca, when they don't go far ahead, advanced stage. Now Man City got say okay, we'll give you your 2 years. So they don't pass now. We are adults now. You get, so when we do things, you put your money where your mouth is. You get, I don't tell you that before. It's just like the same thing happened to Sergio Ramos at Real Madrid. Take 1 year, Baba say na 2 years. Take 1 year, Baba say na 2 years. They give an ultimatum. Baba, if you don't collect this 1 year, by this time, we don't go sign you. Last, will you believe that Sergio Ramos later said, okay, give me the 1 year. Florentino Perez said, Baba, time don't go. We are adults, we are professional businessmen. If I tell you to do this thing by this time frame, you ought to do it. That was why Ramos went to Real Madrid. PSG. He go PSG. From PSG now, he don't come out. Where is he going to now? He has gone to Sevilla. Sevilla when they now, he will still play against a favorite club. He gets Real Madrid. So how disastrous is that? Get there's some players who say they are legends in their clubs. So we say they no go fit like that agony of playing against your club, the club that made you who you are. You get as it be now. Person supposed to do for Real Madrid, can't retire. Imagine Spurs, Kane playing against Spurs. No, I go be. Or imagine Thierry Henry playing against Arsenal. You get as it be now. So that's so interesting. Alright, so the EPL don't they set to make a major VAR move. Now, you know, say they get so many questionable calls. So people are wondering, why is it that we know they know what's in the VAR team, they tell the referee to get where they make them change their mind on certain questionable calls. So moving forward, the EPL administrators in conjunction with the PGMOL, they'll come outside, let us know say very soon we will hear, like after the match, we'll hear the audio when they take place between the VAR team and the on-field referee to know how they come to their decision. You get, for example, what they really put this move now about this Garnacho goal, like in the human eye, it looks like it is onside. But when the VAR draw the line, it is looking offside. So people really need to know how did they come to that agreement. You get, so far so good. I think this is a major win for the sporting world. You get, it shows a high level of transparency. People will know what really they happen at the end of the day, so that if na human error, we will try to stem them out to get to the hold people accountable. So I like this move. It's going to be very, very good for football. So let's just do it moving forward. Alright, so Bukayo Saka said don't come outside and say this Declan Rice goal when the guys say don't watch that goal like 20 times. Say that goal they fantastic. You get, say the way the guy they chest stand down first of all, and if you watch the replay, I see chest stand down, everybody knows saying he won't wipe him. Because when you can't take on, like, so slow down. Everybody expected a shot. Like, everybody they brace for impact. It's just unfortunate for us to just hit somebody. Because if you say no hit somebody, or the thing will come outside, they'll not be saying I'll straight to post the thing they go. Now, as he hits person, they can't deflect, enter, and in as much as he deflects, you know, consign me last, now go. So at the end of the day, we are happy with our team. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen to see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So, CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.